Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making ham and cheese stuffed biscuits. We have a can of biscuits right here, Pillsbury biscuits. We're going to open up real quick. It says press here with a spoon, but we're just going to press it with our fingers because it's pretty easy. Like that. So you can see it opens up real easy. Okay, so what you want to do is you take one of the biscuits and you just flatten them out. Next, we're going to take a slice of butter and put it on the bottom. Like that. And we're going to take a slice of ham and we're going to slice it in half. And place it on top. And we're going to put the cheese on top as well. See here, trying to figure out the size. Like that. And then we're gonna put another slice of butter on top. And afterwards, we're gonna take another piece of biscuit slice. We're gonna flatten it out a little bit and stretch it out. Stretch this one out just a little bit more. And then what you want to do is put the other biscuit on top and then fold it all together. Like that. Okay, we have it nicely sealed up, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated, and we're gonna spray just a little bit of olive oil, and then we're gonna put in the biscuits. Okay. And we're gonna let it cook for 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, the biscuits are ready. Oh boy, looking good. There we go. Let's open one up and see what it looks like. Okay. Ooh, it's really soft. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Look at that. Oh yeah, looking wonderful. And the last one. Oh yeah, looking great. So there you go, ham and cheese stuffed biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!